Greetings to all. In this session, we are going to see the next combinational circuit, multiplexer and demultiplexer. What is a multiplexer? It is a combinational circuit that selects binary information from one of many input lines and direct it to the output line. Multiplexer is defined as many to one, that means it can have many inputs but only single output. That's why it is called as many to one. It is a device which has many inputs and a single output, and which input will go to the output is dependent on the selection or select lines. A multiplexer can be designed with various inputs according to our needs. If we have 4 inputs and we want to select a single one, then we can use 4 to 1 multiplexer. If we have 8 inputs and we can design a multiplexer with 8 input lines, but the selection line should be in according with input lines. This slide shows the typical day-to-day applications of multiplexer. There are multiple input sources such as MP3 player, laptop sound card, digital satellite, digital cable TV. The output will be one of these sources which is selected based on selection lines. So next I am going to discuss 4 to 1 multiplexer. As the name itself suggests, it will have 4 inputs and 1 output. In this, we have 4 inputs, that is I0, I1, I2 and I3, and 1 output Y, and to control which input should be selected out of these 4, we need 2 selection lines, and it will be S1 and S0. Now there will be 4 cases. Case 1. When the selection lines S1, S0 represents 0, 0, then the input line which will be selected to pass from multiplexer will be I0. Thus, multiplexer will be a short circuit for input line I0 and will be open circuited for other input lines. Case 2. When the select line S1, S0 represents 0, 1, then the input line which will be selected will be I1. In this case, multiplexer will behave as a short circuit for input line I1, while it will behave as an open circuit for other input lines. Case number 3. When the selection line S1, S0 is 1, 0, then input line I2 will be generated at the output. In this scenario, the multiplexer will allow only I2 to pass through it and other input will be blocked. Case number 4. When both the selection lines represents 1, 1, then the last input line will be selected, that is I3. In this case, multiplexer will allow the only I3 to pass through it and other input lines get blocked from passing through multiplexer. Truth table. On the basis of the truth table of the 4:1 multiplexer, we can write the equation of the multiplexer. The equation of the 4:1 multiplexer is Y is equivalent to S1 dash S0 dash I0 plus S1 dash S0 I1 plus S1 S0 dash I2 plus S1 S0 I3. This equivalent circuit diagram of 4:1 multiplexer is also shown in this slide. Now let us see about demultiplexer. It is called as DMUX. It is a combinational circuit having one input and many outputs depending upon the select inputs. The block diagram of DMUX is shown in this slide. There are generally four basic types of DMUX. These are 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 8 and 1 to 16. This slide shows the day-to-day application of demultiplexer. In this session, let us consider 1 to 4 demultiplexer. This 1 to 4 demultiplexer consists of one input and four outputs. A selection line depends on number of outputs. The relationship between number of outputs and number of selection lines can be calculated using the formula 2 to the power of m is equivalent to n, where m is the number of selection lines and n is the number of outputs. In this 1 to 4 demultiplexer, n is 4 and m is 2. Now let us construct truth table. Here one input line I and two selection lines S1, S0 and four output lines Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0. From the above truth table, we can directly write the Boolean functions for each output as Y3 is equivalent to S1, S0, I, Y2 is equivalent to S1, S0 dash I, Y1 is equivalent to S1 dash S0 I, Y0 is equivalent to S1 dash S0 dash I. We can implement these Boolean functions using inverters and 3 input AND gates. The circuit diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer is shown in this slide. Thank you.